Hey everyone, and welcome back to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a fascinating question in AI. Can a machine learn useful skills without being told what to do? Normally, in what's called reinforcement learning, programmers have to carefully design a reward system, like giving points for good actions, to guide an AI agent. But as the researchers of this paper point out, creating these rewards can be tricky and time-consuming. So they explored a different approach called reward-free autonomous learning. Instead of chasing a high score, the agent learns to achieve specific goals. A goal is simply reaching a particular state it has seen before, like getting to a specific coordinate in a virtual world. The really cool part is that the agent learns to select its own goals during training, essentially telling itself, "I wonder if I can get back to that spot over there." This makes the learning method environment-agnostic, meaning it's a general approach that doesn't need to be custom-tailored for every new game or simulation. To test this, they put their AI in a few different virtual environments. One was a simple cliff-walking game where the goal is to get from a start point to an end point without falling off a cliff. Here's where it gets interesting. When compared to a traditional AI that uses rewards, their goal-setting AI actually learned the optimal path faster. This shows that by simply exploring and trying to reach self-selected goals, the agent can learn just as effectively, if not more so, than one guided by an external reward. However, they discovered a very peculiar quirk in how the AI learns. They tracked the AI's success rate for reaching many different goals over time. While the average success rate across all goals steadily improved and became stable, the performance on any single goal was incredibly volatile. As you can see in this graph, the agent would master reaching one spot, then seem to completely forget how, only to relearn it later. The lines for individual goals jump up and down wildly, even while the average performance climbs. The researchers suggest this might be due to the agent constantly shifting its focus to new goals, causing it to forget older skills, a phenomenon known as catastrophic forgetting. So, what are the main takeaways from this study? First, agents can learn broad, useful skills in an environment without any pre-programmed rewards, simply by setting and pursuing their own goals. Second, this method is very flexible and can be applied to different environments without major changes. And third, this autonomous learning process leads to a strange instability, where general capability improves at the cost of consistent performance on specific tasks. What could this mean for the future of AI? It's a step towards creating more general-purpose agents that can be pre-trained to understand a new environment on their own. Then, later on, we could give them specific tasks to accomplish using the broad skills they've already developed. It's an exciting look into how we can make AI more autonomous and less dependent on handcrafted guidance. That's all for this episode of Summarize Science. Thanks for watching.